Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Sikukune 1. I'm joined by Mr. Emmanuel.
Sure, Steve.
How are you, my brother?
I'm good and you, my brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ankali Sidliwe.
Yeah.
And Asirojwanga.
Sure.
It was Fan Square.
Fan Square.
Fan Square.
Clean loss.
Clean loss.
Yeah.
And amajita adlalile.
Yeah.
Remember, i-Pirates, ne-Sundowns, it is like a game here.
Sure.
So, and it's a lesson to us.
Yes.
When next year, when we go back to CAF,
Yeah.
we must sign more players so
Yeah.
that our amajita is going to rest. Yeah, Katele and we blame amajita.
Sure.
Yeah, but mina ngikhala wabona we great yaka striker sethu lesi
Mabasa. Omahupa.
Mahopa.
Yes.
Mahopa is a good player.
Yes.
Like it or not,
Yeah.
he's a good. We're great. It's hard. It's there. And we are great. Ukwenza ukuthi sidlale.
Yeah.
Ku pyramid silose consider after aphumile.
Yes.
If wangaphumanga uzoba ngakhuphuki labantu. Same thing today.
Yeah.
Waphuma yakhuphuka ile team sadliwa uyayibona.
Wabamkhipha.
Coach uyenza i-final decision. So we are not there. We are not there, but asiphele amandla thina. Amabhakaniya siye phambili.
Yeah.
Siye phambili, i-Chiefs sisebenza ngayo. I-Arrows siye kuwe warm up ye-final.
Yeah.
Chiefs qeda ngayo la duzane nje.
Yeah.
Duzane sele nje 2 days.
Yeah.
Then eDurban siphinde sibashaya in a space of 7 days zobashaya kayi-2. Without a fear or favor, Silo success again, it's going to happen.
Yeah.
It's going to happen. Siyakwendla again Silo mabhida. Amabhida.
Yeah.
Siyakwendla again. Badashaba. We are going to fix the country there.
Is the league gone?
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Oh my God.
The race is still on. Elikin.
Yeah.
We're gonna fight until the last whistle.
Yeah.
Yes, Steve-O, well done.